time. Look at this.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Shira and this is the home of the blessed, bright, and beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video using the Revair blow dryer. I just received it in the mail and I'm going to test it out and see how well it works on my natural hair. First off, y'all, this blow dryer came in this big old box. Big old giant box. Here's the blow dryer. Whew, you can gain some muscles holding this thing. It's very heavy. Ah. So it comes in this cute little Revair bag. We can use this bag for hair products, you know? It's really cool. It has this long tube. This is the end, the part of it that blow dries your hair. This part holds the blow dryer. Boom. This part of the blow dryer. Really neat, really neat. Let's open this up. Shine spray. Some clips, which are what I need, you know, you always need clips. And this, oh, this must be a mask or something. I don't know what this is. It can be used as a headband, a scarf, all this different stuff that's on here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but they have different examples of how you can wear it. Let's hop into it.
Twenty minutes later.
Kings and queens, this Revair blow dryer, like, girl, look at this. Okay, my hair's still kicking up at the ends, but no. I think it's tea. Like, I think it's really tea. Y'all seen the results. The dryer speaks for itself. Handy dandy. Works really well on natural hair like mine. And I'm in love with it now. One thing I really want to say about this blow dryer, it doesn't give that really dry, heated feel to your hair that a regular blow dryer would do. Like, it didn't make my hair feel stiff or damaged. Literally, when my hair came out of here, it felt really like soft. Like, it feels so soft. I wish y'all could feel my hair right now. Like, it's really soft and bouncy, and it's still really shiny. Like, y'all, my hair feels so good right now. It feels so good and so healthy. And usually when I blow dry my hair with a regular blow dryer, it feels like, oh my gosh, I hope I didn't damage my hair. Like, literally every time I use a regular blow dryer, that's how I feel. I'm like, dang, I hope I didn't put too much heat. Like, I don't know what's inside here, but I feel like whatever's in there is protecting your hair and drying your hair at the same time. But I also still put heat protectant, and I use their spray. Their spray smells really good, by the way, but I don't know, I'm in love with it. I'll be using the Revair dryer for the rest of my life, I feel like, no cap, because the way my hair feel now, I'm usually never able to run my hands through my hair, like, ever. And I can run my hands through my hair. Like, if I used a regular blow dryer, y'all, it would be like so hard to get through. But right now it's like really easy. I don't know, this dryer is really good. That's my review. I love it. I can't even say I like it. So, and the hype matches up with the results for me, so it's everything for me, Revair. Thank you y'all for watching this video. Remember, you are blessed, bright, and beautiful. And remember to subscribe, hit that bell button so you get the notifications every time I post. And I love y'all. Keep being blessed. Have a beautiful day. See you in the next video.